Hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed, and I want to give a huge shout out again to First Responder Garage. He watched my video, he saw I screwed up big time on this, and I had to, I was tired, it was hot. Anyway, all excuses aside, this is why I need help. I'm an idiot. I didn't realize I did this. I put these two rings, this ring and then this snap ring, this is a wavy ring, in the wrong spot. They don't go in front of this clutch pack. Okay, so we're going to take this clutch pack right out. That clutch pack is fine. These damn things, they go in right now. Wavy spring first. And I knew there was something wrong. I just didn't know what. There we go. This is why I need help, guys. That was a simple dumbass mistake. That would have ruined this whole transmission. And there we go. They snapped right in. That's good. Now the clutch pack can go in. And spacer first. Friction disc. Steel. Friction disc. Steel. You guys keep count. I lost count. Friction disc. Steel. Friction disc. Spacer. And round snap ring. This little one right here, and it snaps in like that. Much better, much better. First Responder Garage. Sir, I don't know if you drink beer at all or anything. PM me, do something. I will buy you a case of beer for that, sir. Case of soda. Hell, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And again, yes, I have a little bit of an ego, but like I said, I don't know what I'm doing here. And I appreciate you catching that simple mistake that I made, sir. Thank you so much. That's the kind of help I'm looking for from everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. You have yourself a great day, sir. And please, watch over my shoulder. Thank you so much. I don't know what I am doing. It's my first time doing it. It gets confusing. It's easy to make a mistake. Thank you. You all have a good evening. And thank all my subscribers. Again, thank everyone else for all their tips, their help, and everything. And First Responder Garage, buddy, I owe you big time. Give me a holler. I owe you a case of beer, half gallon of whiskey, anything, soda, whatever, buddy. Thank you.